Hi folks, JD here again with another quick update on the old new man cave. Rough and ready video, so apologies for that. But as you can see, good progress has been made. This is only 3.5 days graft, so I'm really chuffed with what I've achieved. We are now waterproof, so we've got the EPDM rubber roof on. You can't really see it from here, but this is quite a thick roof because, as I mentioned in my previous video, it's a warm roof construction. So it's a EPDM fully bonded to a OSB deck, 100mm PIR insulation, vapor barrier, this green vapor barrier here, then another OSB deck, and then it's sat on 5x2 C24s with a 65mm to 0 furring strip to get a decent fall. It's quite a span at the moment, but there is going to be another wall here because this is kind of going to be a shed area about 1 metre wide by 4 metres, and this is going to be the new office space. So most of the walls are 4x2 CLS at 400 centres, apart from the front where I've over-engineered it probably, but this is 5x2 C24 doubled up, as you can see, because it's taking an 80x120mm box section. Bit overkill, probably not necessary, but as I'm having bifolds in here, I didn't want to take the risk of any sag in the roof at all. So yeah, coming on well. I'll get the walls on this weekend, so it's going to be OSB, breather membrane, and then I've got a really nice composite cladding coming. Because the way this is designed, before we moved in, there's a drain at the front, so that's why I've had to make the roof slope from the back to the front, and then I'm going to put a hopper up here and a downpipe straight into the drainage there. Okay, any comments, please feel free to make them. Until next time, thanks for watching.